students. Today we are going to start with new chapter, chapter 8, science quiz. So here in this chapter we are going to have more information about science and we are going to learn more about different characters. So let's get started with the chapter. Complete the following statements by choosing the correct answer from the brackets. I have shared answers with you, and children, in brackets you see I have added many more information. Actually these informations you don't have in your textbook. It is just for your information, for your knowledge. I am sharing these things with you. Now first question. Dash was first to give the concept of atom. Canada. Maharshi Canada was ancient Indian scientist, sage, sannyasi and philosopher, one who has got good knowledge about specific field, who proposed that atom is an indestructible particle of matter. Here you can see the image of Maharshi Acharya Canada. See, he is Acharya Canada. Next. Dash was first to determine the size of Earth correctly. Eratosthenes. He invented a system of longitude and latitude, vertical and horizontal line, that what you see on the globe, and made a map of the known world. Here you can see the image of Eratosthenes. Next. Dash was the first person to drill out oil nikalna, from beneath the surface of earth. Answer is Edwin Drake. He is also known as Colonel Drake. Was an American businessman and the first American to successfully drill for oil. Here, Edwin Drake. Next. Dash was first to detect radio waves. Heinrich Hertz. He was a German physicist who first proved the existence of the electromagnetic waves predicted by James Clerk Maxwell. Here is Heinrich Hertz. Next. Question number 5. Dash prepared the first artificial gene. Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana. He created the artificial gene. The first medical college in India was established in Kolkata. By whom? It is an Indian medical school and hospital. The school was established in 1835 by Lord William Bentinck as medical college in Bengal during British rule. Because we got freedom when? In 1947. So there was British Raj during those days. So when they came to rule, the governors, when they come to rule, they used to make certain changes in India. Next. Dash is the father of the hydrogen bomb. Edward Teller. Edward Teller. Next. Dash is considered to be the father of plastic surgery. Understood? Susruta. Susruta. Next. Dash discovered radioactivity. Henry Becquerel. Henry Becquerel. Henry Becquerel. Next. Dash discovered that malaria is caused by a particular type of mosquito. Who discovered that? Ronald Rose. Ronald Rose. Next. Dash discovered penicillin. Alexander Fleming, which is used in pharmaceutical things. Alexander Fleming. Next. A toxic substance called nicotine is present in tobacco. That's why we say it is toxic. It is not intoxic thing. It is toxic, full of toxic things. So that's why we say we force not to take or not to consume tobacco, because it contains a toxic substance called nicotine, which is very harmful to our body. Next, Dash is used in a refrigerator for cooling purposes. Freon. Now what is freon? Freon is a kind of liquid or gaseous Understood? Which is used in cooling effect, which gives cooling effect to the refrigerator. Next, dash is the most abundant element in Earth's crust, oxygen. That's why we are able to live on this earth. Next, deficiency of iodine causes the disease goiter. In goiter especially, your throat swells up, isn't it? So that is because of deficiency of iodine, and proper amount of iodine we get from salt. Next, soda water contains carbonic acid. Dash fuel is used to drive a rocket, liquid hydrogen. Dash is known as the brain of the computer, CPU, Central Processing Unit. This all of you know, Central Processing Unit. Next, which one of the following insects grows its own food? Leaf cutter ant. It eats leaf little by little. See here how it cuts the leaf and it consumes its own food like this. Next, which one of the following animals is dreaded as a baby lifter? Dreaded means bhayanak. Understood? It lifts the babies, maybe of human beings or of another animals. Hyena. Which vitamin prevents bleeding of gums? Vitamin C. Gums doesn't mean that sticking wala gum. Gums means teeth. Below the teeth, na, that is known as gums. It's all because of vitamin C. Next, which of the following instruments is used for recording earthquake? Seismograph. Here is the image of it. Earthquake. This is image of hyena. Earthquake. Seismograph. This is used in measuring the intensity of the earthquake. How much Richter scale earthquake was it? So we come to know with the help of this machine, this seismograph. Next, sulfuric acid is also known as dash, oil of vitriol. That's all for today, children. Hope you understood the chapter. Do watch the video. Take care.